Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share with you a project I've been working on. I've been catching up on some YouTube videos. Usually I'm running about a week behind. Everybody's watching everyone's videos. But I was watching Metal Scrap Chick today. I'm sorry, her name is Metal Scrappin' Chick. She was working in a collab in regards to stickers, and she was embellishing these heart doilies, and I was like, oh my gosh, I have those. And so she inspired me to make my own embellished heart doilies. And so some of these ones that I'm going to share with you, some of the embellishments I've gotten from Crafty Pals, and I've just had to add a little more embellishments. But yeah, so let me share with you. So like this rosette that's on the crepe paper was gifted to me from a Crafty Pal, and I just added it onto the heart doily with these stickers and this cardstock here. Here's another one. Mesh that was ruffled and sewed was gifted to me as well. And then this is like that Maggie Holmes trim. There's a rosette heart die sticker embellishments that I bought from Tuesday Morning, and then I just adhered this sticker there. There's another. There's another one. And I just added these word stickers that I've gotten from my stash. And then some of them I've already packaged up. Sorry for the glare. And then this one I've packaged. And then I've added the pearl beads flatbacks as well. So yeah, these are some of my Valentine embellishments I'm going to share with some crafty friends. So hope you guys are having a crafty day. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I appreciate your love and support. Please consider liking and sharing this video. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!